There's a young elephant at one of these elephant camps halfway up the mountain towards Big Bhudda in Chalong, Thailand. Obviously under a lot of distress, going crazy actually, poor thing. Used as a prop by these people to attract tourists. With the pussy eyes on it. Poor thing. Poor animal. Going crazy. A true sign of distress by this animal. These people use these animals simply to get tourists to come by, go to their restaurants that are here. Nice location, looking out on the Bay of Chalong over there. But this young animal is definitely under a lot of stress. Yeah. I came up here a few days ago. This animal was doing the same thing. This is a true sign that this animal needs to be rescued, taken away from it. Notice the chain on around the front left leg. It's a young tusker, this guy.